Oh, alrighty, hey. When these first came out this year, I low-key slept, but after seeing them in hand, I appreciate them a lot, for real. These are, as far as fives go this year, these are nice. Not the craziest, but these are nice indeed. Let's check them out together. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid. That's right. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, I am bringing you guys another sneaker review. And the sneaker that we're going to be taking a look at today did release a little bit earlier in this year, and I kind of slept on it just because there was other releases I had my attention on. However though, these, when I saw the fact of the matter is that these haven't released since 16 years, and not only that, they're a sneaker that I honestly thought that the colors weren't gonna draw me in, but I saw them in person and I really, really liked them. And that sneaker is the Air Jordan 5 in the green bean colorway. And like I said, the last time these released was in 2006, which was 16 years ago. So I know a lot of you guys in the communities were like, just the fact of the matter of the nostalgia factor, you want them just for that. So we're gonna take a look at them. Like I said, I was not too fond of them at first, but you know how it is, you get things in hand and you're like, your opinion's like, I think I actually want them. So let's go ahead and right now, let's take a few moments to go ahead and check them out right now. Let's go. Wait, first and foremost, before we even dive into these green bean 5s, I gotta let you guys know first and always foremost, I appreciate the love and support that you guys always show us. Seriously, the channel, let me clear my throat for this one. The channel literally just hit 2,000 subscribers, and I'm just extremely in awe, and I'm just grateful and thankful for your guys' love and support. Like seriously, this journey has been literally amazing, guys. Like it's been so fun, and like being able to, you know, see the growth and commenting and being just around you guys as we, you know, as I comment to you, back to you guys. It's just, you guys are amazing, seriously, and I would not trade that for literally anything. So let's keep that momentum up. The next big milestone is 3K, but even still, like I'm just thankful. Like literally, that's all I can say. I know like a lot of in my videos, that's all I say a lot, but I'm just extremely thankful for you guys, because it really does mean seriously and a tremendous amount to me. Like it motivates me to keep going for something I'm very passionate about, and it really just shows. It shows. Not everything in life is guaranteed, but if you really put the work in something, you can see and you can hit your goals if you really set your mind to it. So again, thank you guys so much, for real. Also, if this is your first time checking out any one of my videos or the channel, hi, I'd love for you to stick around. Make sure you definitely go ahead and hit that like, that subscribe button. That way, anytime I upload a video for y'all, you are the first to be alerted and notified. So thank you guys so much for that. Also, if you're new too, I always like to be color coordinated with the product that I am reviewing, and I like to do it with matching headbands. So like I said, we'll be looking at the Air Jordan 5 green bean, in which the colorway is gray and that lime green. So I do got my gray headband on. We're gonna go ahead and smack it on right now, and let's check them out together. Let's go. Alrighty, and there we go right there. We got the headband on. Okay, yeah, I need to stop that. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these. So I did go ahead and get these from Shoe Palace. Like I said, these did release a few, actually maybe a month ago. I think it was a few. I don't know the exact release date. I'll put the release date down below so you guys can check it out. And these did sell over on Sneakers app. I mean, like everything, it definitely sold out. But however, in other retailers though, you know, Finish Line, Foot Locker, Shoe Palace, they're restocking, they're kind of sitting. And I just kind of think that maybe it's because, you know, currently inflation and current things, you know, economically what's going on. But also I feel like this colorway maybe is not the most wearable, and most people when it comes to shoes, they just kind of like care more for the, you know, the simple stuff. You know, their whites, their blacks, their browns, their reds. So I feel like this one is a little bit kind of a switch up, so that's kind of why they're sitting. So if you're looking for them, I will leave a link down below where you can find these at. So enough talking. With that said, let's go ahead and look at the box right here. As you can see, here we go right here. It is a little bit messed up, but it's okay. We wear our shoes, not the boxes. So as you can see, you do have a green bean or a lime Jumpman right in the middle right there. And then if you look around as well, you can see you do have your regular Air Jordan 5 box right here. You do have a lime green Jumpman, and it does have air under there. I love right here, you have speckling right there, and it actually, when you feel it, it has a grit type of feeling to it. I don't know if you can hear that. It has a grit feeling to it. So I do go ahead and like that as well. Let me go ahead and now hand over to the size description. Let me read you guys that right now. So the size description does read Air Jordan 5 Retro. We have silver, green bean, flint, gray. I did go ahead and get a 10.5. When it comes to sizing in Air Jordan 5s, personally, I recommend going true to size. However, for my personal experiences with 5s, I like to go a half size down just because they kind of are a little bulky and they kind of have a little bit more room. So going a half size down doesn't hurt. If you do have any more questions as far as sizing goes, please y'all message me down below and I will be attentive to you as fast as I possibly can. Let me go ahead and actually pen these out for you, as you can go ahead and see. Like I said, 10.5, and then you can see the size description as well. One last thing, I do want to read the SKU code for those that do care. It is DM901400N3. So here we go right here. I'm giving you guys kind of a more better perspective as well all over the box. And with that said, let's go ahead and pan it out so you guys can check these out together. We're gonna go ahead and open the box. 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Go ahead and pull that out. As you can tell, you do have your cement tissue paper over there. Nothing too crazy, but it is a nice touch of tissue paper. Then let's go ahead and pull it back. I'm looking at the camera. I'm not even gonna look out here. 3, 2, and 1. And ooh, there we go right there. Yeah, here we go. This is the left, and here we go right here, the Air Jordan 5 green bean. Let's go ahead and take these out. Right. Ooh, they all smell delicious too. And there we go right here. Let's go ahead and put everything up. And I almost dropped the box. Let's go ahead and put this up and we'll dive into it right now. And here we go right here. These are the Air Jordan 5 in the green bean colorway. Man, 16 years ago when the last time these came out. So it was about time for a re-release. I'm actually happy they went ahead and did it. I'm loving 5s more and more and more, honestly. Like, I'm starting to become more of a 5 collector more than anything. I used to be kind of a, as you know, 3s are my favorite. I like Air Jordan 1s too, but I'm starting to kind of get tired of 1s personally, and I kind of gravitate more towards the 5. So let's go ahead and check it out together. As you can see right here, this was a shoe I definitely did not appreciate when it first came out, but once I got it in hand, I tried it on, and I was like, yeah, this is this is one I want from the collection. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the left today. So let's start off with the outsole. As you can see, the outsole does have a icy outsole. You do have Jordan right there. You have your lime or your green bean Jumpman right there. Is nice. Absolutely, I'm a big fan of green, so that was a hit for me. As we come up to the midsole, you do have your shark teeth right there, or your World War II inspired fighter plane right there. Then you have your air unit right there, as you can tell. Coming back to the, coming to the back, you can go ahead and you do have your all gray heel, and you do have your green bean or your lime green Jumpman right there. Coming up, you have your sock liner that is done in that green bean color as well. Looking at the tongue, you do have Air Jordan right there, and it is done in that green bean text as well, or that color, excuse me. Coming up to the front of the toe box, you have a nice toe box, very, very nice. You also have gray laces, which kind of runs up. Then you go ahead and you get hit with your lace lock, and your lace lock is done in that green bean color right there. As you come up to the tongue, which I honestly, when it comes to Air Jordan 5, I at first didn't like, but I've come to really appreciate that, because you can wear these with a lot of like jeans and pants, and it looks great. Looking up to the tongue, you do have your Jumpman done in that green bean color right there. And then let's go ahead and take the shoe tree out right there. Oh, the bag is trying to get away. I don't think so. Let's go ahead and take out the shoe tree. As you can see inside, you do have a, is it a gray? Yeah, it's a gray insole. And then you do have a, your Jumpman is also done in the lime green, just how it is at the back of the outsole right there. So these are nice. These are nice. These are very, very fire. Also another element and another touch that you're not gonna be able to tell. I'm actually gonna go ahead and throw a little clip in here really quick, but these are 3M. These are 3M. Check it out right here. Check it out. Alright, so really quick, I just want to give you guys a closer perspective on this 3M material. So as you look at the green bean 5s, because this 3M actually looks really nice. So this part, all of it actually, if you have like a bright light and or like a flash, like I'm gonna say also in the video, you can tell that you see how it does go ahead and reflect right there. Let me go ahead and actually get these out to give you a better perspective here. Hold on, doing this with one hand, so it's kind of tough, but yeah, as you can see right there, it does have a, like I said, that reflective material. You see right there? Very, very nice and pretty. I do like that for these on this material. It's another reason why I kind of gravitated more towards these. So, like I said, let me know what you feel about these. Let me see if I can actually give you even a more better perspective. Hold it up here. Like I said, I'm doing it with one hand. See how it kind of shines like that? You see what I'm saying? So, these are very, very pretty. So I do like them. Now back to the video. So that was the 3M element. So, and like I said, on these it's a nice touch. So a lot of you guys, when you take photos, you'll probably see like your shoes will like, and you take a photo like a flash, like the brightness off of your flash will bounce off of this and it'll be like nice and bright. So I think that's a really cool touch that they added on these green bean 5s. But nonetheless though, let me know how you feel about these. Comment down below and let me know. A nice sneaker indeed, in my honest opinion, and it is an Air Jordan 5, and man, I love 5s, seriously. I know we're having some more releases coming out. We got the Concord 5s coming, and then we also have some releasing for 2023, and I'm very excited about. So like I said, let me know how you feel about these green bean 5s. I'm about to go ahead and cut away to an on feet review, but before I even do that, I do want to give you guys a different and closer perspective. That way, if you are in the decision of making your purchase over these green bean 5s, you can actually go ahead and make it. So check it out right here. So like I said, as you can see, you got the gray, you got the green bean on the shark teeth right there. Looking up, you can even see the gray laces. These are well done, and I know with these releasing in 2016 and being 16 years of a re-release, a lot of folks are going to go for them, but at the same time, folks may be like, you know what, I probably am gonna go ahead and get something different just because, or wait for more releases to come out, because we do have a lot of stuff coming for sure for the rest of this year. I know, like literally, I think October, we're like loaded with a whole bunch of releases, like seriously. So comment down below, like I said, let me know what you think about these green bean 5s. Is this one that you'd get? Is this one that you'd pass on? And let me know. I would really, really want to hear your thoughts and opinions over these green bean 5s. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is going to conclude today's video over the Air Jordan 5 green bean. Comment down below, let me know what you think about them. Yes, like I said, I really am interested, and I do enjoy that I have these. These are one that, you know, once I got them in hand, and I actually, you know, I tried them on, and I kind of saw them, you know, looked at myself in the mirror like, okay. I was like, yeah, these definitely grew on me for sure. So again, let me know how you feel about these. Appreciate all the love and support. Like seriously, no exaggeration, I really do appreciate the love and support that you guys show me. And like I said, 2K subscribers though, like that's honestly wild. And it's kind of scary but exciting at the same time, because it's like how fast we're moving. Like we're moving quick, and I'm thankful for it. But it's like the more people that come in and you guys show them, like, oh my God, it's a little overwhelming though, but it is very a blessing, and I'm very, very thankful for it. So like always guys, this has been your boy, this has been your kid Nephrite. Also, if you haven't, go ahead and also check out the community post, because I do go ahead and try to keep you guys up to date as best I can with like sneaker releases. Also, if you haven't, follow me over on Instagram as well. And also, if you guys have like anything sneaker related, clothing related, and you know, you're something that you're proud of and you own and you like, tag me in it. I want to be able to actually repost you guys and share your guys', you know, your excitement too. I like seeing that. You know, I remember there was one of you guys that sent me a photo of the Jordan 1, which one was it? The Visionaries, the one with like the highlighter one. And dude, like I like that. I like his excitement with it was so cool, and like I loved it. So really do appreciate you guys very, very much. Like always, this has been your boy, this has been your kid Nephrite. I will catch y'all in the next video. Also remember, there's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Peace. you.